First, we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 5 minus 8, which gives us negative 3. So we have 5 minus 8 times negative 3. Now we have to do this multiplication. 8 times negative 3 equals negative 24. So we have 5 minus negative 24. Negative times negative gives us positive. So we have 5 plus 24, which equals 29. And this is our final answer to this problem. And this answer is correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and the one parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay? So, according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, so first this parentheses, 5 minus 8 gives us negative 3. Then this multiplication, because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication. 8 times negative 3 gives us negative 24. And finally, we have to do this subtraction. 5 minus negative 24, which gives us 29. So this answer is correct. But if you don't follow this rule and first do this parentheses, then this subtraction and finally this multiplication, you'll get the wrong answer. Let's do it. First, this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 5 minus 8, which equals negative 3. And then this subtraction, 5 minus 8, gives us again negative 3. So we have negative 3 times negative 3, which equals positive 9. But this answer is not correct. And the correct answer is just 29.